what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some Sia Chandelier Acoustic version. Okay, so we're in E minor. I love this version, it's cool. We got E minor, 1, 2. We got C major. 1, 2, 3. We got D major. Or D add 2. So just want to leave the E string open. Now we have a bar chord. We got B minor. 2nd fret, 3, 4, and 2nd finger. Okay, so that's the chords that we need for the intro. For the pre-chorus, we got C, E minor, C minor to D. And then let's talk about the chorus later. So we got the intro. E minor, C, D. So what I'm doing, I'm picking E minor and then strumming. I'm picking 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, and then strum 2 downstrokes. And then the same thing over C, but starting on the A string. And then for the D, same thing, but starting on the D string. And for the B, starting on the A string. The pre-chorus, we start strumming on C major. The D. So the strumming areas down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Same strumming for the chorus. Okay, so for the chorus we got this C, 2nd finger D, 2nd fret, first finger, 2nd finger on the A string, 3rd fret, and then 3rd and 4th finger on the B and E string, right like that. To that D we learned, and then we're gonna grab from there. We're gonna grab a B over D. You can put your fingers back like that and just grab the bass, the B. You can call that a B over G. C, D, B over G. B over G, if I wasn't clear. 2nd fret A string, B string, and E string. Okay. So this is the chorus. Whatever many times that is. Down, up. And then back to E minor. D. Verse. picking. Gonna start strumming on C. Cool. So that's all the chords. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. So down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Cool. What a great song. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Have a good day. Thank you.